Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maths Online classes. In this video we will continue our exercise 6.1, which is the very first exercise of chapter trigonometric portion. And in the exercise 6.1 we have discussed about the basic already in the previous video. And in this video we will continue our exercise from the question number first up to the next whatever we can solve in this video. So our first question of the exercise 6.1 is, all the questions of this exercise is very easy, and we can say that the very first exercise, the very easiest exercise of this complete trigonometric portion. The given first question is 2 sine 45 degree cos 45 degree. 2 sine 45 degree cos 45 degree. As you all know, in the previous video we have already prepared a table which is related with the trigonometric ratios and the angles. So according to that one table, first of all we will judge that what is the value of sine 45 and cos 45. From here you will check from the table if you have prepared them. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon root. Our question is find the value of this one. तो हमें इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, तो sin 45 अपने पास हो गया 1 upon root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2 is equals to 2 into numerator by numerator then 1, root 2 into root 2 is 2, cancel by each other, answer is 1. All the questions are this type of the question. Directly you can place the value of trigonometric ratios according to the table and then calculate the given question, and finally we'll get your answer. Second question of the same exercise is cos 45 cos 60 degree. Minus sin 45 sin 60. Got it? देखो, according to this question we need 4 values: cos 45 cos 60 and sin 45 sin 60. Check the table. What is the value of cos 45? In the previous question we have already checked it. It is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. This is the symbol of into. Minus sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. There is no need to do anything else. Just solve this one. 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Are you agree with this answer? Okay, student. LCM of these both is 2 root 2 because the denominator of both the conditions are same. So the LCM will also remain same. Numerator will also remain constant. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 upon 2 root 2. 2 cancel by 2 and the final answer is minus 1 upon root 2. I hope that you are understanding what I am trying to solve here. So third question you can solve yourself, fourth question you can solve yourself. Now I am going to start the fifth question. Fifth question is also same. Find the value of, and the given statement is 5 cos square 60 degree. For sine square 30 degree. Plus tan square 45. Upon this is our question and we have to calculate the value of this function. First of all देखो एक छोटी चीज बता रहा हूं मैं. Sin square theta and sin theta square and sin theta whole square. These both are same, but this is not equal to these both. ये दोनों एक ही वैल्यू है और ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, तो हमें यहां से काम क्या करना है, cos 60 की वैल्यू अप्लाई करनी है. cos 60 की वैल्यू क्या होगी अपने पास? cos 60 is 1 upon 2. cos 60 होगा 1/2, 5 एज इट इज इंटू 1/2 एंड होल स्क्वायर। बात समझ में आई यहां तक? नेक्स्ट प्लस 4 sin 30 is 1/2 अगेन एंड होल स्क्वायर प्लस tan 45 जो कि 1 होता है, आप टेबल से चेक करते हुए लिखेंगे, अपॉन sin 30 is 1/2 होल स्क्वायर एंड cos 45 is 1/√2 होल स्क्वायर। सभी के स्क्वायर है इसलिए मैंने होल स्क्वायर यूज किया है यहां पे। नेक्स्ट अब हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है। 5 इंटू 1/4, 5 इंटू 1/4 प्लस 4 इंटू 1/4 प्लस 1/4 प्लस 1/2। आप वापस से चेक करना चाहे तो 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, सिमिलरली दिस वन एंड 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, √2 स्क्वायर इज क्लियर। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई this one separately. What will you get? Our next step will be 5/4 प्लस ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 बचेगा, 1 + 1 is 2 अपॉन 1 कर लें यहां पे, और ये 1/4 प्लस 1/, both the numerator and denominator had the separately rational numbers. So in this case we will apply the LCM method for these both cases. So the LCM of the upper one is 4, 5 plus 8, and LCM of this one is again 4, 2 plus 1 plus 2। बात समझ में आई यहां तक? 4 कैंसिल बाय 4, 13/3। क्योंकि देखो ये ऐसे हुआ, वापस एक्सप्लेन करो तो फर्स्ट एक्सट्रीम एंड एक्सट्रीम, मीडियन एंड मीडियन, मींस फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, सेकंड एंड थर्ड मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, तो आपके पास आएगा 13 इंटू 4 अपॉन 3 इंटू 4, 3 फ्रॉम हियर, 4 फ्रॉम हियर, कैंसिल बाय ईच अदर एंड रिजल्ट इज 13/3। Got it? Okay student, now let's proceed on the next question. Before that, pause the video and note it down. And I am going to start the next question. 6th can solve easy question is there, and 7th question I am solving, which is (4/cot square 30) plus 1/sin square 30 degree minus cos square 45 degree. This is the statement of our question. Here we need only 3 values: cot 30, sin 30 and cos 45. देखो कोट, इसको एक काम करो, ऊपर ले जाओ, क्या बनेगा? 4 इंटू tan square 30, या फिर एक काम, चलो ठीक है, हो गया, इजी रहता है क्योंकि, या फिर ऐसे कर दो 4 cot 30 क्या होगा? तो tan 30 का पता करो, tan 30 होता 1/√3, तो tan 30 हुआ 1/√3, इट मींस cot 30 इज 1/√3। देखो tan 30 is equals to 1/√3 and cot 30 is equals to reciprocal, so √3 square plus 1/sin 30 is 1/2 and minus cos 45 is 1/√2 and whole square of this one. Now 4/3 plus 1/4, बात समझ में आ गई यहां तक? माइनस 1/2, 4/3. Look here, it is the rational number. First term and third and fourth are these. Actually, this first term is this one. Second and third and fourth, about these we will discuss. So, which will be the second and which will be the third and which will be the fourth? We can check from here. This is a rational number. It means this has the numerator and denominator both. But in this case, it is if we can avoid this one, then it doesn't has its denominator, so we can consider 1 as the denominator of this one. So 1 is the denominator of this one. Clear? First, second, third, fourth. Fourth and first. 4 into 1 is 4 upon 1 minus half. Now use the LCM method. LCM of these both, these all is 6. 3 2s are 2 4s are 8. 1 6s are 6 4s are 24. Minus 2 3s are 3 1s are 3. Right? Okay, student. 24 plus 8 32. 32 minus 3 is 29 upon 6. This is the answer of the question number 7. So please, student, pause the video and note it down. And let's proceed on the next question. Question number 7th we have solved. 8th I am solving, and 9th you will solve yourself. Our 8th question is, check very carefully. Actually in this topic I am solving all the questions rapidly because this chapter is very easy, and I hope that you are understanding the speed also. Because in this case we have to apply the direct value from the table, and then the solution steps are there, so we can solve easily. Our 8th question is 10 square 60 plus 4 sin square 45 plus sin square 90 degree upon 3 sec square 30 plus cosec square 60 and minus cot square 30. देखो किसी क्वेश्चन में किसी बुक में कोई एडवाइजरी यूज कर रहा है, कोई आरबीएससी की बुक यूज कर रहा है, किसी के पास कोई दूसरा पब्लिकेशन है, जैसे अपने पास न्यू एडवर्टीजमेंट ऐसा कुछ था, एक न्यू एडिशन ऐसे कुछ, तो सभी में किसी में कोई डिजिट भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, तो ये कोई इश्यू नहीं रहेगा. मैटर नहीं करता कि हम आंसर को फॉलो करें. जस्ट फॉलो द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, यू जस्ट फॉलो दिस वन. डू नॉट कंपेयर दैट योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग, डजंट मैटर अबाउट इट. Just copy the question and solve whatever the answer of this question. So let's proceed. Cos tan 60. First of all, apply the value of tan 60, which is equals to root 3. देखो टेबल आपको लर्न करनी होगी, otherwise you cannot solve this one rapidly. वैसे तो आप बना लोगे एग्जाम में, लेकिन ये क्या होगा कि it's the only of the wasting of the time only. Tan 60 is root 3 whole square plus 4 into sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 whole square plus sin 90 is 1 and then square upon 3 sec 30. Sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Then sec 30 will 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 60. It is the reciprocal of sin 60, and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Then cosec 60 will be 2 upon root 3 whole square minus cot 30. It is the reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Then cot 30 is root 3 upon 1 or root 3 and whole square. Are you happy? Can check from the table. Root 3 square is 3 plus 4 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. I will not explain this one why I am writing, because you are the 10th standard and you can solve easily this one. What is the square of under root and what will be the square of any particular rational number? 3 into 4 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 minus 3. I hope you are understanding. Some things, some values will be cancelled by each other. They got 2 2s are clear. 3 plus 2 5 and 6 upon, ये देखो 3 and then same. 3 इसको x कंसिडर करो. 3x plus x is 4x. Then 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 3. बात समझ में? देखो ये अपने आप में न्यूमरेटर डेनोमिनेटर है यहाँ पे, इसका मतलब इसका डेनोमिनेटर 1 कर लो. 6 upon 1 whole upon LCM of this is 3. 4 4s are 16 minus denomineter of this one is 3. Then 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Clear? And our next step will become 6 upon 1 upon 16 minus 9 is कितना आएगा रे? 7. upon 3. First, fourth, second, third. 6 3 is 18 upon 7. Are we agree? Yes. So this is the answer of our 8th question, and the question number 9 you will solve, and the 10th also you will solve. From question 1 to 10, all are similar to each other. In this case, all the 10 questions directly apply the value from the table and solve. Just try to practice on this question. I hope you will easily solve this. Our next question is question number 11. In this question it is given, find the value of x in the following. Means what we have to calculate? X we have to calculate. Our question number 11, part first. Question number 11, part first. Cos x is equals to cos 60, cos 30 plus sin 60 and sin 30. This is our question, and in this case we have to calculate the value of x. How will we do? Let's proceed. cos x will remain same क्योंकि इसकी तो वैल्यू चाहिए हमें. cos 60 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? cos 60 is 1 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. sin 60 क्या होगा? root 3 upon 2 into sin 30 is 1 upon 2. बात समझ में आ गई? यहां तक ये हुआ cos x root 3 upon 4 plus root 3 upon 4. cos x both are same, then x plus x 2x. Similarly 2 cancel by 4 2 times root 3 upon 2. आपको यहां तक सिंप्लीफाई करना ही है. अब आगे इधर कोस है, इधर कांस्टेंट है. हमें क्या चाहिए? x चाहिए. इसका मतलब कोस हटेगा. तो पता करो कि रूट 3 अपॉन 2 कोस में किसकी वैल्यू होती है. बात समझ में आई? x की वैल्यू के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव द कोस, एंड देन डायरेक्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज द वैल्यू इन द फंक्शन ऑफ कोस विच डिग्री कंटेन्स रूट 3 अपॉन 2. मतलब कि कोस में किस डिग्री की वैल्यू रूट 3 अपॉन 2 होती है? वो होता है 30 डिग्री. So cos x is equals to cos 30 degree. Cos cancel by cos, and x is equals to 30. ध्यान रहे ऐसे केस में इधर cos है तो इधर भी cos, and in this case in this side sin is there, then you will apply the sin. ये वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. तो कहीं ना कहीं यदि यहाँ साइन होता तो ये sin 60 लिखा जाता. टाइम में तो ऐसी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. होती होगी लेकिन अपने को पता नहीं है. So this is the first part of our question number 11. So please student pause the video and note it down, and I am proceeding on the next question, which is second part. You can solve easily yourself, and third part I am telling you. What is the third part of the question number 11? Root 3 tan 2x is equals to sin 30 sin 45. Sorry, sin 30 plus sin 45 degree cos 45 degree plus 2 sin 90. First of all, just leave the left hand side as it is and apply all the values as much as possible in the right hand side. So after the applying the value of all the trigonometric functions, sin 30 is 1 upon 2, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, into cos 45 is again 1 upon root 2. In between both of these the multiplication symbol is there. It is hidden, but by default it is the multiply symbol. 2 into sin 90 is 1. sin 90 1 होता है, cos 90 0 होता है. √3 tan 2x is equals to 1 upon 2. Both will multiply by each other and result will be this. √3, use the imply that symbol also. √3 tan 2x is equals to half and half is 1 plus 2. √3 tan 2x is equals to 3. Then हमें तो किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, x की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो एक एक इधर से रिमूव करते जाओ ऐसे. tan 2x is equals to 3 upon √3, और इसको अपन ये लिख सकते हैं √3 into √3 upon √3, because the product of these both is √3 cancel by each other. बात समझ में आई होगी शायद. Implies that tan 2x is equals to √3. अब भैया जी ये tan रिमूव होने के लिए पता करो कि √3 tan में किसकी वैल्यू होती है. √3 tan में वैल्यू होती है किसकी, 60. tan 2x is equals to tan 60. tan cancel by tan, and from here we can say that क्या बचा है, 2x is equals to 60 implies that x is equals to कितना आएगा, 60 upon 2, and x is equals to 30 degree. So this is the final answer of question number 11, and there are only 3 questions in this case. I think it is enough for this video, and the remaining part there are total 22 questions. Remaining question we will solve in the next video. So please student, be careful. With the honesty you will solve each and every question as I told you, from question 1 to 11, and other question if you want then you are most welcome. But up to the 11th question you have to solve in your notebook, and after it you will prepare a notes for these questions and with the solutions, and try to understand the basic concept of the each and every question. Without the basic concept, math is nil, so you cannot solve a proper case. This is the very limited stock in our exercise. 20, 30, 40 questions are there, but other than it we have a lot of the question in our book, in our syllabus, so we cannot solve without the basic concept. So please, it is my humble request to you, try to understand what I am trying to say about this question and what is the requirement of the question. According to the follow the statement, so according to the statement follow the conditions and imply all the values as much as possible, and then solve it. Your solution or your calculation should be perfect, then you will match your answer with the perfect answer.